A water heater is leaking somewhere in your town tonight. That person is searching right now, and they are calling whoever they can find and check in the next 2 minutes. A couple of minutes fixes that. You will have a free website that takes job requests, answers the questions, and texts you the moment somebody asks. No account, no card, nothing to install. Ready? Here is how. It starts with a few lines about the work, what you fix, the town you cover, and how somebody reaches you. Word of mouth already works for you. What it does not do is answer at 9 at night or show a stranger your prices before they pick up the phone. Now it reads that back and builds the page around it. Every word and every picture on it is yours to change. Done. A finished page, your name on it, and your work priced underneath. Wrong colors for the trade? Pick another, and the whole page follows. Click any line and type over it. Now scroll to the bottom and hit publish. That is it. Your page is live. And publishing opens this. Your dashboard. Quote requests. Somebody describes the job and it arrives here. Get reviews. Ask while you are still standing in their kitchen, not 3 weeks later. Your customers, with the history of what you did for them. Chats. Everything the site said to a visitor, and everything they said back. Settings. Your hours, your services, your contact details. The whole site reads from this one screen. Your QR code, printed on the van or on a card, and nobody ever types your address. And the smart chat. It answers when you cannot. Nobody set it up. It read the same description you typed, so it already knows what you fix and where your prices start. It talks to a stranger at 11 at night while you are on another job. Here is the public side. It loads quickly, it reads properly on a phone, and it finishes where it should, on a form, rather than a number somebody has to remember to call. So somebody describes the leak, says when they need you, and sends it. And the next one does not fill anything in. They just ask whether you can come today. The chat answers from what you typed while you are under a sink. There it is, in your inbox, seconds later. The job, the name, and the number to call back. And a text on your phone. You find out on the drive home, not the next morning. A plumbing site people can find, check, and ask for a price. At no cost, with a QR code already made for the side of the van. Go and put your own name in. Instinctor.